Laundry detergent feels like a boring purchase. You grab it, you trust it, you pour it in, you move on. Most Australians never think twice about it. If it cleans clothes, it must be fine, right? But here's the uncomfortable truth most people never stop to question. Many laundry detergents sold in Australia are packed with harsh surfactants, artificial fragrances, optical brighteners, and unnecessary chemicals, and your skin is exposed to them every single day. Unlike food, detergent touches your skin for hours, soaks into fabrics, transfers to towels, underwear, and bedding, stays on clothes long after washing. And because detergents are marketed as fresh, powerful, or extra clean, people assume stronger is better. It's not. Today, we're exposing 7 laundry detergent brands Australians should seriously reconsider. And at the end, we'll show you 2 detergent brands that are actually worth your money. Stay until the end, because number 3 is in almost every Australian household. First, why laundry detergent is a bigger deal than you think. Laundry detergent residue stays on your clothes. That means direct skin contact, repeated exposure, inhalation of fragrance compounds, and long-term contact through bedding. This matters more than most people realize. You wear washed clothes 10 to 16 hours per day. You sleep on washed sheets 6 to 9 hours every night. That's continuous contact. This is especially important for babies and toddlers, people with sensitive skin, eczema-prone households, allergy-prone individuals. The problem isn't washing clothes. The problem is what's left behind. Why clean does not mean safe. Modern detergents are designed to do 3 things: remove visible dirt, make clothes look brighter, leave a strong scent. Only the first one actually matters. The other 2 are cosmetic tricks. What makes a detergent bad? Low-quality detergents often rely on harsh synthetic surfactants, artificial fragrance blends, optical brighteners, and unnecessary chemicals. And these chemicals don't improve cleanliness, they improve appearance and smell. And those improvements come at a cost. That fresh laundry smell? It's not cleanliness. It's synthetic fragrance chemistry designed to cling to fabric. Clean clothes should smell like nothing. If your clothes smell strong days later, that scent didn't clean anything. It stayed behind. This is one of the most misunderstood ingredients in laundry. Optical brighteners do not clean fabric, do not remove stains, do not improve hygiene. Instead, they coat fibers with fluorescent chemicals, reflect blue light, and trick your eyes into seeing whiter fabric. They bind to fabric. They do not rinse out. They build up over time. That matters when those fabrics touch your skin every day. The 7 laundry detergent brands Australians should avoid. Brand number 7, Cold Power. Cold Power is marketed around cleaning performance in cold water. That sounds efficient, smart, eco-friendly. But ingredient-wise, there are concerns. Cold Power formulas often contain strong synthetic surfactants, heavy artificial fragrance, and optical brighteners. Cold water washing already reduces rinsing efficiency. That means more residue stays in your clothes. Residue that stays transfers to skin, builds up over time, remains in bedding and towels. Powerful cleaning, harsh residue. Brand number 6, Omo. Omo is one of the most trusted detergent brands in Australia. That trust is exactly why it deserves scrutiny. What most people don't realize, many Omo products include aggressive surfactants, artificial fragrance blends, enzymes that can irritate skin, and optical brighteners. These are designed for stain removal, visual whiteness, and strong scent, not skin compatibility. Why Omo is used so much? Because it smells strong, looks bright, feels powerful. But power does not equal safety. Iconic brand, industrial strength chemistry. Brand number 5, Radiant. Radiant markets itself as family-friendly, gentle, safe, but labels tell a different story. Radiant detergents often contain fragrance allergens, optical brighteners, colorants. Gentle is a marketing word, not a chemical guarantee. Child skin absorbs chemicals more readily, is thinner, and is exposed longer through pajamas and bedding. Soft branding, questionable formulation. Brand number 4, Surf. Surf detergents are famous for one thing: smell. Strong, long-lasting, overpowering. Surf relies heavily on perfume additives, fragrance-locking polymers, and cheaper surfactant systems. This creates long-lasting scent, long-lasting residue. If smell lasts days, it's because it's designed not to rinse out. Strong smell, heavy chemical footprint. Brand number 3, Dynamo. This is the shocker. Dynamo is everywhere. Pods, liquids, powders. Convenient, modern, extremely popular. Many Dynamo products include concentrated surfactants, fragrance encapsulation technology, and optical brighteners. Encapsulation means scent is released slowly. Fragrance lingers for days. Exposure continues long after washing. This is designed persistence, not accidental. Modern tech, prolonged chemical contact. Brand number 2, Fab. Fab is often chosen for price, smell, and availability. Fab detergents are fragrance-heavy, dye-loaded, and designed to smell strong, not rinse clean. Cheap detergent usually means cheap chemistry, low price, high residue. Brand number 1, Tide detergent. This is the biggest problem of all, not one brand, an entire category. Tide detergents increase fragrance concentration, use fragrance-binding polymers, and are designed to linger for days. They do not improve cleaning, increase skin exposure, and increase inhalation exposure. Now, 2 detergent brands that are actually worth your money. This is the part most videos skip. These brands focus on minimal ingredients, reduced fragrance, proper rinsing, skin compatibility. Worth it, number 2, Earth Choice Laundry Liquid. Earth Choice is widely available and affordable. Why it's better? Lower fragrance load, no optical brighteners, biodegradable surfactants, simpler ingredient philosophy. Clothes come out clean, neutral, not coated. Balanced cleaning, reduced residue. Worth it, number 1, Abode Laundry Liquid. This is one of the best supermarket accessible options in Australia. Fragrance-free options available. Plant-derived surfactants, no optical brighteners, transparent formulation. Clothes smell like nothing. That's real clean. Low tox, genuinely thoughtful detergent. How to reduce detergent exposure today. Use half the recommended dose. Add an extra rinse cycle. Avoid fabric softeners completely. Wash bedding separately. Use fragrance-free for underwear and towels. Laundry detergent isn't harmless. Residue is exposure. Many detergent brands sold in Australia today are fragrance-heavy, residue-prone, designed for scent, not skin. By avoiding these detergents and choosing better formulated options, you can reduce daily chemical exposure, protect sensitive skin, improve indoor air quality, and stop paying for fragrance marketing. If you want videos on fabric softeners exposed, dishwashing liquids to avoid, eco cleaners that aren't actually eco, full home detox series, comment yes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Protect Australia Plates. This is Protect Australia Plates, exposing the truth behind everyday products so you can take control of your home and health.